middle.
Good morning, guys. It's your girl Bintu. I'm back with another video. So today is Saturday. Today we're gonna do like a little fake Sunday cleaning, Sunday reset. It's gonna be a Saturday reset because tomorrow we're not gonna be here. So I'm gonna show you guys the condition of my room right now. It's not bad because I did clean it yesterday. I just need to fix my closet because I folded. I washed my laundry yesterday. All right, so it's not bad. I just need to, like I said, fix my closet. I need to fix the top. I did get new sheets yesterday. As you can see, I left my bed how it was because, babes, I slept well last night. That's all I'm gonna say. I slept so good. I slept phenomenally. But let me show you guys a few new additions to the room. This little stand that I got for my perfumes and just like accessories and stuff. These are the perfumes I have now, but like over time when I do get more, because I left half of my perfumes back home, I'm definitely gonna like fill up this space with it. But for now I just wanted to fill up the space with some knickknacks and stuff. So I got this, super cool. I also got this mug yesterday. I love this mug, it's so cute. You already know I had a mug collection and I'm trying to rebuild that mug collection here. So this is the first mug from the collection. I love this, so cute. I got this pajama set that y'all see me in right now, very comfy. I got these black sheets yesterday. I got two perfumes. Little thing, yeah, probably like, what is this? Oh shoot, it's an eyeshadow palette. And it comes with a mirror, as I can see. And I just love the case. The case is so fun. I really love it. Like this is tea, silver. Detailing, you already know I'm a silver fiend. Y'all probably looking at like, what the hell is this? This is a candle holder, but I have yet to get the candle that will go in here. Yeah. This is a reminder to take the iron pills. 2:22. I woke up fairly late today. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I think it was a mix of me getting 3 hours of sleep the night before and also me being in a food coma because I ate, y'all. I ate so good last night. Oh my god.
I was thinking about doing a gold dress or like a color dress. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not in a store.
5:05, but we were supposed to be heading out by this time. But babes, black people time. That isn't a justification for us being late, but just stuff happens. So we call it black people time. But what was I gonna say? Hi guys, ready, and I'm in the car. I look really good. We are late. I was the first one to be ready because you already know me. I hate when people play with my time, so I don't play with people's time. I don't know if I'm missing anything, but I have my towel, I have my perfume, sunscreen. I brought my iPad as a battery, as a power bank, because we're gonna be there all day, I'm pretty sure. And then I bought my 2 cameras, and then my lip stuff, some touch-up makeup, and then and some lotion, and then and my charger and stuff like that. I didn't bring nothing crazy, but yeah, this is the look. Really pretty. This is the bag. So yeah. Can you give me 2 seconds to move my stuff?
I almost made them.
Yo, this is a remake of Miami, but it's just way busier. Like, oh my god. He said over here. Huh? He said over here. He just pointed back over here. Here, I don't want it to poop on my head. How you know that? How you know that though? How you know that? We don't know. Walk in the middle.
Huh?
Just turn up. Oh, I remember these. They still do these?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I didn't even know they still did these. Wait. Look at my outfit. I'm gonna get pizza. Anyways. Shit.
And all inside the patio, open to the sky.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't listen to these villages. Welcome to my vlogs. You know, we're at what beach is this? So this is the nice beach.
We're gonna buy some later, okay?
This is Bintu.
Yes.
And
This is Binta.
her aunt.
Yes.
This is my daughter.
Yes.
This is Bar. This is Fatimata. And we're just taking a stroll. We're just walking. Oh my goodness. Look at my little baby girl. I just hijacked.
So like do it like this. You can do it down. Look. I didn't know they had all this. There you go around. Oh shoot. It looked like pepperoni from afar.
Wow.
Yeah, it's tasty and tell me what is it good?
It's the sauce.
It's the sauce.
Cheese?
Oh, be careful here.
Oh, good.
Alright, who else?
Me. Thank you.
This place is like they make the sauce like they
They put on top.
trying to save cheese.
Yeah, probably.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Boulange, boulange.
Berries. It was on this.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna get hit. You gave it to me.
Somebody wanna be a DJ?
Yes.